Hi, my name is Daniel, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Lost Frontier Handbook before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the Lost Frontier Handbook is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the Lost Frontier Handbook and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The Lost Frontier Handbook is an ultimate self-reliance guide that unlocks lost ancestral skills and knowledge for dealing with crisis. According to the creator, the handbook also reveals life-saving techniques and tricks of all time. Readers also learn how to prepare various survival measures and equip themselves with essential items during a crisis to overcome unnatural events. Some crucial lessons in the handbook include preservation tips, food stockpiles, and medicinal remedies. In addition, the notes are complemented with high-resolution images, carefully detailed diagrams, and procedural instructions. Consumers can access the handbook digitally or obtain a physical copy through shipment. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the Lost Frontier Handbook, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the Lost Frontier Handbook for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the Lost Frontier Handbook, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the Lost Frontier Handbook helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.